Hey students, so let's study about different zones of candle. You can see here a candle flame. You all must have seen this candle flame, but you have or many of you have not noticed that candle have three zones. You can see in the picture the outer zone, which is bluish in color. You can see slight bluish zone around the flame of the candle, and that zone is known as outer zone of complete combustion. In this case, in this yellowish zone, the combustion which is happening is complete, and hence all the carbon atoms which are present inside the candle are completely burning and producing a bluish color flame. Next to bluish flame, you can see a middle zone. You can see here, you can see a middle zone which is bright yellowish in color, and this is known as middle zone of partial combustion. What is happening in this zone? The combustion which is happening is very partial. That is, the carbon atoms which are present are not getting converted or they are not burnt completely, and hence this zone produces a yellowish color flame which is also known as middle zone of partial combustion. You can see here, this is the yellowish zone here is the middle zone of combustion, and you can see this outermost layer, slight bluish color zone, which is where our complete combustion is happening, this bluish color zone. And one more thing is that you can relate this bluish zone with the bluish flame of gas stoves which are used by our mothers in the kitchen. The gas stoves, they have bluish color flame, and these flames shows that complete combustion of energy or whatever the LPG fuel is happening in that case. Now next, you can see in the middle, you can see here there is a black portion, and this black portion is the innermost zone of unburnt wax vapors, and it is blackish in color. Now let us categorize this zone into three parts on the basis of the temperature. That is, the part which is bluish in color, that is this part which is bluish in color, it will be the hottest part. Then comes the yellowish where partial combustion is happening, and this yellowish part will be of moderate hotness, and this black unburnt part will be of least hotness. So I hope you are able to understand different zones of candle flame. Yes, so now you can see here, this blue part is the outermost zone, then this yellow part is our moderate zone, and this blackish part is our innermost zone. And as we have already discussed and seen in the video, that this hottest part, this blue zone is the hottest part, this yellow zone is of moderately hot, while this black zone is least hot. So I hope this video is easily understandable and you have understood the concept of different zones of flame. And so students, let me throw a question to you. You have seen that goldsmiths, they blow at the outermost zone of the flame with the metallic blowpipe for melting gold and silver. So now you have to tell me, why do they use the outermost zone of the flame for doing this?